In previous lessons, we learned about sketch curves. You can clean the sketch command directly on the Curve toolbar or select Sketch from the drop-down menu to enter the sketch work environment and draw multiple intersecting curves that are not on the same plane. It is important to note that in the sketch work environment, only curves on the same plane can be drawn. Drawing curves on different planes requires repeating the operation multiple times. This means that in a single sketch environment, you can only draw curves on one plane. To draw curves on another plane, you need to re-enter the sketch environment. In the field of engineering and CAD software, sweep curve is a common geometric modeling operation used to create 3D geometries that move along a path. This operation is typically used to create complex shapes or structures, where one or more geometric curves, also known as profile or sections, move or sweep along a specified path to form a continuous volume. Click the Swing command on the Surface toolbar or go to the drop-down menu Insert, Design Feature Extrude. First, the Swap dialog box. Select the section and choose the curve, which means selecting the sketch section curve we have drawn. It will be highlighted once selected. Then, select the guide curve, choosing the guide curve we have drawn. It will also be highlighted once selected. Note that the swept surface will automatically match the length of the section curve. You can click the setting bar of the Sweep command, select More Edit, and modify the parameters of the previous options. You can select multiple sweep curves, and they can be edited in the More list. Note that the section selection curve and the guide curve for sweeping are usually not on the same plane. If they are on the same plane, sweeping cannot be completed. The Swap command is generally used for creating models of complex and irregular surfaces. Sweep application and advantages. Creating complex shapes. Sweep curves allows designers to create complex 3D shapes using simple curves or profiles, which is particularly useful in fields such as aerospace, automotive, and shipbuilding. Precision and control. Users can precisely control the shape and size of the geometry by adjusting the parameters of the path and profile, meeting specific design requirements. Reducing design time. Compared to manual modeling, the sweep curve operation can significantly reduce design time and improve design consistency and accuracy.
Hello everyone. This lesson brings you the content of Section 12, Sweeping Command. This command is not commonly used, but for drawing some complicated surfaces, it's very helpful. Can be drawn more quickly. Then let's just start. Open UG first. Create a new graph. The sweeping command requires you to draw the graphics in advance. So let's draw it first. With XY plane as the base, let's draw a circle. Then click Finish. Then take the XY plane as a reference. Translate 100 millimeters. Draw another circle with this plane. Then the sketch of the target to be sweep has been drawn. But it still needs a guide wire. Then we will draw its guide line. With XZ as the plane, we will directly take the straight line as the guiding line position. Then we connect its outermost 2 points. Then click Finish. Then we find the Sweep command in the drop-down menu inside. First of all, the first column is the object you need to sweep. These 2 circles. Then here is the guideline addition. You can't add 2 directly. Then let's do it again. Sweep, choose one, then add new set here. Click this again. Then add the boot key. Then a preview of it comes out. Then a circular truncated cone can be obtained. It doesn't need the previous operation, draft. Draft is to build a prototype first, and then draw the mold to get it, but now we can also get it by sweep. Its front and rear faces is the object you sweep. Then add a guideline. If you want to add another guideline, didn't we just draw two? Then you can also add new set here, and then click this, but because it is symmetrical, so this effect will not change. Of course, when drawing more complex graphics in the future, it will change. The more guide wires, the more accurate the figure it draws. Then click OK. Then this is drawn. Then some examples in PPT are straight lines. Like this. It's more complicated. Mine is more regular. It's a regular pattern. But if you want to draw this curved surface, then the more guidelines, the more accurate. This is the process of some commands. These are some advantages of sweeping. Then this class is over. Thank you all.